On May 22, 2023, two men were detained in a Walmart parking lot in the Athens area of Georgia. The deputy linked them to a pattern of purse thefts at grocery stores, followed by gift card purchases using stolen cards.
Henry Miguel Matthews. Henry Miguel Matthews.
I'll move.
See your hand. Okay, you're not under arrest. We're conducting an investigation for theft. Do you understand that? Get out of the vehicle. Do not make any of
Theft for what?
overt movements in your pocket. No affirmative movements, okay? Don't go in your pocket, okay?
Ow.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here for me.
What did I do?
All right, put the bottle down. I'm explaining it to you if you give me a chance, okay?
Keep your hands out of your pockets.
My hands are in my pocket.
All right, listen,
I'm
man.
just giving you the warning.
I'll just make sure you don't have any weapons on
I
you.
don't have no weapons.
All right?
What did I do?
We're conducting an investigation.
What kind of investigation?
You and your buddy matched two suspects for a bunch of fraud reports in
What
cases that
fraud
we've
report?
been working. Right? It's actually one that I worked myself from where a purse was, an ID and stuff was stolen from a lady over at the Publix parking lot. Where you do match the description, and your buddy does too.
And I took a purse?
Mm-hmm.
How about
Just stole some credit cards and stuff like that out of a purse. Okay. All right.
I did not see
And I
nobody
also
take
got
that.
shown security camera footage over at the Kroger right here off Abbs Bridge. All right, using those cards to buy like $500 gift cards and whatnot over at Kroger.
You saw me on camera, did it?
Mm-hmm. And your buddy.
You did not see me on camera doing
I think you might be wearing that same hat.
No, sir.
Yeah. You got an ID on you?
I'll show you.
Pretty thick wallet you got there, man.
All those credit cards sitting in that pile of stack, all yours, or are they different people's?
How you mean different people's? I'm a caregiver. I take kids home.
Great.
I just see a big stack of credit cards
That's
sitting
not
in your
credit
wallet.
card. That's not credit card.
That's not they're not credit cards.
These are not credit cards.
Just a bunch of gift cards and stuff like
I don't
that.
have a bunch of gift cards. These are my stuff and my kid and the person I take care of. That is just two gift cards.
How many people do you take care of?
Just one person.
Just one person?
Yes.
So that whole big old stack is only going to be one
It's
person?
his stuff.
One of his stuff?
Devon.
$45 County, 27
I
out
can't
of
believe
South
this.
Carolina.
Oh, you got my stuff, my name on it.
What are y'all doing over here at Walmart? 090-364-679. What are y'all doing over here at Walmart?
What we doing over here?
Yep.
We've been shopping.
You've been shopping? What y'all shopping for?
Did you go in with him?
Huh?
Did you go in with your buddy into the store?
Where?
Walmart.
Yeah, I went to buy their water.
This
That water
one?
right there.
So you went with him.
In the store, yeah, I went to buy their water.
So what was he buying?
I don't know.
But you went with him.
I was not in there with him. I went to a whole different thing.
Good.
I don't understand. Why y'all?
What were you shoving under the seat when we were coming up to you?
Shoving under the seat.
Because when we were coming up to you, you were bent over at your waist and you were
I was
pushing stuff
grabbing
under
my
the
cookie.
seat. Okay.
I was grabbing my cookie.
As soon
right
as you
there.
saw us, you started shoving stuff under the seat.
why
I was
Whatnot.
grabbing my cookie right there.
Great. Hey, sir, great that you have cookies. But that's the reason why I told you to show me your hands. 'Cause I had no idea what you're doing. You understand? It's not the person. We're out here conducting an investigation now. We're not making these complaints. Other people are. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're trying to figure everything out, right? We've had a bunch of different reports. We've got a bunch of different investigations for the same type of behavior of people getting purses stolen or purses being gone into in grocery stores, IDs, credit cards being stolen, and then people going up to Walmart and Kroger using those stolen credit cards to buy gift cards and things of that nature. Okay, I've worked a couple of them myself, and both times I worked them, your buddy wearing blue scrubs was one of the suspects, and that security cam footage, along with you wearing a camo hat, black male, beard, and I think one of them actually had a red jacket on, right? Right, so he was even wearing blue scrubs, bigger, heavy-set guy wearing blue scrubs in the security camera footage, right? And then you were in that same house. You still want to say that wasn't y'all buying credit card or getting credit cards and stuff like that?
I don't buy no credit cards.
Gift cards. What about gift cards? You been in here buying gift cards recently?
I haven't been in here buying no gift cards recently either.
You just come from Kroger though, right?
Who?
You and your buddy.
From Kroger's? Who said that?
There's cameras over there, man. Y'all just came from Kroger, right?
No.
Home Depot?
Home Depot.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to detain you. You're not interested. You're being detained. I'm going to put you in handcuffs until I can get up my investigation, okay?
Oh, my God.
Other hand?
Why are you rubbing my wrist like that?
I'm not. I was just prepping your arm so we didn't fight your guys, bro. All right?
Anything in your pocket's going to poke me, stick me, anything like that? No knives, needles, sharp knives, anything like that?
No.
Nothing like that?
My house keys, please.
Your house keys?
They're on the floor.
Okay. Who owns the van?
I don't know.
What's your buddy's name? You know your buddy's name? Yeah. Just gonna pat him down.
Better.
Yeah.
That's pretty quick on there. Get your handgun for me.
All right. Nothing's gonna poke me, stick me, right?
No.
No? All right.
But I knew that.
Yep, we'll pick them up. Sorry. I'll pick them up in a second. Oh, my goodness. Just cash and stuff flowing everywhere.
That's mine.
All right. Back up for me.
What's that, bud?
I think that's another credit card in my wallet.
Okay. You have $60 cash, correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. $60 going back in your wallet. You understand? What's your name, bud?
Lamont. That is.
All right.
This is how much.
Let me walk past you, Richards. Whose car is that?
Mine.
I'm gonna stick them in there. Just keep separate. I'm taking your hat off real quick. All right, sitting in the car right now, okay? I'll pick this stuff up. Just keep an eye on that guy. Here, grab this. I'm gonna talk to Pilcher.
Hey, what do they do with this guy?
They're just sitting on him. I just don't feel like having to deal with him when I go talk to Pilcher.
But Diana saw him walk in. No right to get these cars. So they didn't make the warrant. Is she pulling Ben? Huh?
These dudes match the exact description of two cases that I've worked. One where they stole a lady's wallet after purse over at Publix and used it at Kroger.
Yeah.
And then another one where I think they did it here at Walmart, but this was probably like 4 or 5 months ago.
I think this was Zach's.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was, but he's the one out, right?
Yeah, it's back.
It's Zach's, and I have 2 cases in Athens. They were in there buying $2,500 worth of gift cards, so we know they just took an old lady's purse.
Where at?
We just don't know where.
Okay.
But they match the exact description.
Walmart.
Wearing blue scrubs, heavy set guy. We got like, camera footage, all that kind of stuff from previous ones. I just don't know if you ever figured out who it was. But I've got the one guy detained right now. We're about to go detain the other one. Okay. All right.
Cash can really send me, I think that was Cash, 2 pictures
Yeah.
in the video. He said it's them 1095.
I'm like 100% confident. Like
I'll just wait for the pictures.
he's getting. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and.
You put me in handcuffs until you figure it out.
For him to go on my vehicle, you have to get my consent. What are you doing on my vehicle?
I'm not in your vehicle.
Yeah,
I'm not in your vehicle. I got your buddy out of your vehicle, but I haven't gone to your vehicle yet.
yeah, no,
Right?
yeah, because we have rights. We have rights.
Absolutely.
Right.
That's why I haven't gone your car or anything of that nature.
Yeah.
Okay. And most likely, we are. Okay, but it's going to be done properly and legally.
What
Right?
you mean more likely you are?
Going to search your car.
Search my car for what?
Credit cards, IDs, and other stolen property.
No.
Right? Because I'm here to tell you, okay, I've already worked 2 of these investigations, right? And the security camera footage that I got from those investigations matches you.
Matches me?
Yup.
This person right here?
Yup.
No, not me. You got the wrong person, buddy.
I don't think so, buddy.
Yeah, you do.
Because the same person I saw on the security camera footage was dressed just like you and looked just like you.
So look just like me. You just said the right word. Look just like. So look just like and being is 2 different things. See that's where the prejudice come in. You can't just
No prejudice, buddy.
no.
Trying to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm saying you can't just go around and say somebody did something.
Okay,
Okay, so
you turn around. I'm not playing these games.
what's the purpose of this right here?
You're detained. I don't feel like having to get to a foot chase of people. Okay.
Detained for what?
So I can get word back from our investigators. You're
Detained for what?
detained. Or we conduct our investigation. From our investigators.
Detained for what?
Or we conduct our investigation.
All right, sir. Step over to my car for me.
How you mean?
We're going to go to that car right there.
You please make sure you get all your you bring me my evidence because
I got you.
I don't see what I did wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
I didn't say you did I? Do you have
didn't
anything
do-
in your pocket to stick me or poke me before you go in the back
I
seat of my car?
don't. I don't.
All right, I'm going to pat you down real quick. Make sure you don't, okay? Just your phone. All right, I'll leave that there for now. Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Look at this.
So, like we were explaining,
Huh?
like he explained to you, this is a detention. All right, this is not saying you're under arrest yet. We don't have enough for that, but you are allowed to be detained. Okay? This is a safety detention. When you go under arrest, I promise I'll let you know because you are in the backseat of my car. I'm going to be the one to tell you.
And my keys is in my vehicle and all my stuff. And I mean that's not right.
I got you. I fully understand, and that's fully. You've been fully vocal about it. All right.
Yeah.
Stand by for me, sir. Is it cool enough back there?
Yeah, it's good.
All right.
Right, sir.
How do you mean?
It's the same guys as what I dealt with.
Same undershirt and everything.
Yeah, same jacket. He's wearing that red jacket.
That's what he said.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. He's wearing the same scrubs, right?
every time.
And that guy's wearing the same jacket and hat from one of the other encounters that I came
Where are
in.
they out of?
I don't know.
One had a.
This guy's out of South Carolina, but that's if they're out of like I'm not sure.
That's the passenger,
That's
right?
the passenger. Because one, I worked him
Kind of looks like the
using the credit
driver.
cards over at Kroger, using the ladies' stolen credit cards from Publix over at the Kroger.
That's
he was
almost-
one. That's passenger.
I know, but it looks a
That's
lot
what
like
I was
him
thinking.
too.
That
Yeah,
looked like
It might be.
yeah. Look at that. Look at the hairline
Well,
and everything.
I'm thinking
Well,
he's
he had a lot of credit cards with his name
I,
on them in his pocket.
I don't know if this is actually him or whatever. Because Richard's got.
Well, he's got a whole bunch of credit cards in this guy's name, so it
Well,
probably is.
Well, they've got a bunch. He's got a stack of this stick I'm about to go through.
Yeah, we're.
in his
I'm trying to
wallet.
confirm. I'm sending my people to the Publix
Yeah.
now, the closest one, to see if they get flagged down. Because a lot of times the old ladies will lose it and they'll go all around the store
Yeah.
looking.
Well, that's what
Hopefully, we get a victim.
this guy here. The lady couldn't reach something on the top shelf, so he helped her get something off the top of the shelf. And while he was helping her and she was distracted, the other dude got the stuff out of the purse and they came up to
Well,
Kroger.
just knowing their
and used
history
it.
and us being able to say it's them, I think we definitely got enough to detain them, and hopefully soon we'll get confirmation of another victim.
Yeah. Well, we've got.
There was,
Say what? And one of the ones that I did, yeah, they were different ones, but yeah. Check these credit cards just got dropped. I got his ID right here.
same hat. Well, let's wait for the close.
Yeah, see? Same jacket.
Yeah, same jacket. That's the same dude.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, his credit cards, are they the same name or different? Because that's a different one.
Actually, the ones in his wallet were all the same but one.
But one.
Yeah. So what? He's just.
Well, what they do is they get the cards.
Money,
and
right.
Yeah, they get it and use them for like credit cards or
Right.
gift cards and stuff like that. But
I don't know who this is.
I don't know.
Didn't even see the grade. So Franco was
Yeah, they're telling them that's an unknown victim.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Is it a fake card?
The sticker on top.
Okay, so the card is under warrant.
Yeah, man. It's like I've never seen a card like that. But
Well,
they
they're
say
making it
can't
and
have
they're like masking it or something
Right.
like that. Stripping it and then putting.
using the numbers to put
Oh,
the name on.
they're making it. See, it's like a difference. Yeah.
Well, that would be like what we had the other day, because they could take that number and the chip
Yeah.
and put it on the white card and go on.
Y'all run the bin?
They switched up cars though because they were driving that Ford Explorer.
Have y'all run the bin yet? I'm about to run it.
Yeah, you're calm. I gotta go.
While I run this, check with Pilcher. I know they're going to want to search it, but it's probably best for us to get a search warrant. Hey, Pilcher, this car, y'all working on a search warrant for it? Okay.
I was coming up this way from going somewhere else.
See what Cash wants to do, because I bet there's more in this car.
I mean, that dude was reaching under.
Yeah, he was stowing something under the passenger seat when we were walking up. 34, 45 County, 28 by then. Juliet, November 8, Alpha Echo 2, Kilo Papa 2, Delta 9066602. Yeah, CID needs to get a search warrant so we can search inside this car.
Yeah, I'm at Walmart.
I'm trying to see what's on the floorboard over there.
I have those two mailbox reports done.
Okay. Yeah.
And I'll sit at the red light.
10-4. Try that out of South Carolina.
Hold the light. Don't do it. I'll let you sit somewhere else.
Hey, Perrin. Perrin. I like your door. What car it is? Richards. Hey, Richards. Hey, do you still want me to get your keys out of the car?
Yeah.
Okay. When we get his keys out of the car, he wants his keys. Yep. Credit card. All right, plain view. After retrieving the keys at the mail's request. All right. The mail requested I get his keys. I retrieved his keys. Upon retrieving his keys, credit card was located in plain view. I don't think that's his
That's
name.
one of the cars that was stolen out of Kroger, so we got charges here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna say this back to the sheriff's office.
Don't say
For evidence.
definitely am.
Okay.
You sounds like
34, 45 County. Next list, please.
We have probable cause now because that card is from one of the victims is Donna Fevitt.
Oh man, I'm just here
From our
I was just here.
She is still over at Kroger if you need to go talk to her, if you want me to go talk to her and take the report that way.
Oh, that's from like just now?
That is the one that called in from Kroger. That's her wallet just got stolen.
Okay.
Her daughter's card, Laura Saucedo, that was what spent $500 to buy a gift card.
That's the car that just bought.
All right,
That's
well,
the card that got stolen from Kroger.
just now.
No, that's PC all day.
Boom.
Yeah.
All right.
They went to because one of them was trying to use a red card in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's All
right. Well, this is obtained plain view after his request to retrieve his own keys. We got enough now for 1095. Go ahead and take them to the jail. We're going to tow this car back to the sheriff's office. We'll start getting our ducks in a row.
Yep. That's what we'll do. Yep.
All right. You are now officially under arrest. Okay. We're going to take you to the jail with multiple fraud, and theft by taking charges. Okay. All right. Hey.
We're dumb. We're patrol.
I am completely okay with that.
One thing.
We're going to compile it all
And bring it.
and then I'm going to see what the CID wants. I'll bring whatever but they don't need to the jail.
And one of them has the victim from Kroger.
Y'all did have
Today's case.
I got it.
So,
I was pulling it.
Awesome. I got it. So we know they just stole that from
Got
you.
it.
That's awesome, and that'll give us probable cause.
we're going to tow the vehicle.
Stand for it. Thank you.
That's
Now, I was just thinking about these guys about a week ago
yep.
or whatever, and I was like, man, where they got off to? Good stuff. You got it, Connie?
I was gonna follow them. They were not. I was like, they are not losing me. I will follow them till my car breaks.
Stand for it.
I came to get a tag.
I had two cases on them. So
she took a picture of the VIN number just in case they left before.
Well, the funny thing was there was another one just like this leaving the parking lot when we were coming in here. So we're like, oh, yeah, we found it. They're like, no, he's still looking at the car in the parking lot. I was like, never mind.
I wonder if they saw
Why
my
is there
car
a zip
pull
tie
in.
on
They
it?
just sat.
I guess hold the hubcap.
Hold up. Yeah.
Didn't know if there's secret squirrel drug stuff.
Start walking that direction.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
That's him right there.
So the cars were stolen.
And mine was today. So we have a victim over there. Her wallet was stolen. There were 2 cards in it. That was one of them. One of them got
Stand for.
Hey, good. Hello. So we have good news.
Pretty common thing.
We have good news and bad
Did you
news.
find my wallet?
We found your wallet. We found your stuff.
My cards and all in there?
We found. Okay, so this is
The $200 I'm sure is gone.
Okay, so let me explain kind of what's going on real quick, just so you're aware before I get all the information from you, because I'm still going to do a report and everything. The 2 guys that took it are a part of a big thing that we've been looking for a couple months, not a couple years. They've done this multiple times in the past between us and Clarke County. While doing
Do you think they got it from
consensual,
my purse?
yes. While doing a consensual search of the car, we located one of the cards with the name Donna Fivet
That's
on it,
me.
with your name on it. We have charges. We're taking them out. That's proof. Probable cause enough to make an arrest. What I would recommend doing is go ahead and canceling all the credit cards.
We've already going on that.
Go and
But I just
cancel
want my
all those.
Medicare and all my medical cards.
So we're going to hang on to them for a while. We're going to get a warrant to search the rest of the car to play it safe, because it is such a big. There's multiple cases open with these 2 guys doing
Can
the
I at
same
least look
thing.
at it and see what it's in there? Make sure it's all there before
We
I
haven't even
reapply?
touched it because it's still in the car. I'm saying we found one car with your name on it while doing a consensual search. One of the suspects that was in there with us asked us to grab the keys for him. Went in there and grabbed the keys. While we went and grabbed the keys, in plain view, we located one of your cards. Okay.
But the wallet, it's gold, Michael
We
Kors.
haven't looked into the court. We haven't looked into it at all yet.
But you said the wallet's there.
We found one card. I'm not sure.
Oh,
I know
you don't
we
know
found.
if the wallet's there.
I'm not sure yet. We're getting a warrant. This should get it sometime today, and then we're going to go through and do all that kind of stuff. And investigations is going to let you know. They're going to be the ones. I'm taking the initial report. I'm letting you know that we at least found one of your cards, so there is kind of hope that the rest of it is in there. I don't know how much they've used on it. I don't know anything like that. But I don't know. I just need what happened today. So
It happened so quick that I had my wallet when I came in the store.
Okay.
So I don't know if my purse tipped over or if I was getting something.
And that's what they've been doing, is going around and taking wallets out of purses at grocery stores. So we have been able to identify the guys. They're going to jail. It's getting, because it is so big, it is getting turned over to the investigations that they're going to work on theirs. But as of right now, I need your statement about what happened today.
Okay.
You got notified that basically what happened
I just
today.
need someone to let me know that I don't have to go get a new Medicare card on my health cards. That's important.
Yeah.
I haven't even a driver's license to drive.
No, I understand. I'll have our investigators going to give you a call pretty quick. We've got to get the search warrant because we don't know if it's actually in there. We're assuming it is because we did find some of your cards, and we have found some other evidence in there.
My daughter's. I was going to pick up my daughter's prescription Acevedo.
Okay.
But I just, if you could do anything, just let me know with my cards, because
They'll get in touch with
done
you.
anything with those cards.
They'll get in touch with you. This is all, we have to go through the proper proceedings, so we're not violating anybody's rights. That's why we're having to get the warrants. We're having to go through. I'm just letting you know that, hey, we found one card that you said was in there, which is your card, which gives us enough probable cause to make an arrest that these guys did take it out of your wallet, because there's no reason they should have your card, right?
No.
Okay, and so it gave us enough probable cause to take them
So
to
the
jail.
car's been closed up. So it's in
Car
there.
sealed.
It'll be in
We've
there.
been around it ever since then.
Should anyone around Walmart be alerted to look for it?
What do you mean?
My wallet. I mean, you don't know how
They're
bad-
watching the video.
I know, but I want my driver's license.
I get that.
The 200's cash I don't care about.
Our Walmart loss prevention is looking over the video. I say our. Walmart's loss prevention is looking over all the footage with all these guys. They are very aware of this guy. This is a very common thing. These guys are known to us.
Do they
so they're
look
going.
for, they look for your wallet?
Yes, they look for everything. We are looking for everything currently. We just are kind of have to. We're gonna wait till I got to do this report first, so we can go from there, and then investigations can get turned over to you.
Maybe they can let me know today.
I don't know. It's getting turned over to them. We have to. It depends on how long the warrant takes, the search, all this kind of stuff. They will let you know. I'm not sure when. I couldn't tell you when. So give me the rundown of what happened today. What time did you get here? Do you know?
I don't know. Let's see. I probably got here around 2:15 maybe.
Okay.
I'm guessing.
You got here and your wallet was in your purse, correct?
Yes. I went to Chick-fil-A with my daughter.
Okay.
That's when she gave me her card. You might want her to write her name down, Laura Acevedo. Okay, you got it. And we ate at Chick-fil-A. I used my card then. And then I went to get Kroger gas.
Okay.
But I leave my purse in my car during the gas.
Yeah.
So when I came in here, when I put this on I would have noticed if it wasn't very heavy.
Okay.
So I feel 100% it happened in the store.
Okay.
I'm always so watchful. I just can't believe somebody could do that.
Okay. So you walked around the store for about how long did you realize it was gone?
You know what? A couple. A lady did talk to me. Were these white or black people?
They're African American.
Okay, this was a white lady. I was going to say, I wondered if they did a setup like that where they try to distract
It's not unheard of. I've seen it.
Can I just tell her? Laura, I call you back. They caught the two criminals. I'll call you back. Yes, I'll call you back. Because you let me know about Walmart, you were the answer. I'll call you back. I'm talking to the police now. I gotta go. She's happy.
All right. So came here. You got 4:15. When did you notice it was gone?
A while ago.
Yeah. Well, that's why it took so long, because we were over there, because one of Clarke County's investigators notified us that these guys were over there, and so when
let's just say maybe 10 till 3.
10 till 3.
Because I've been here
Okay.
for a while, and this young man was a savior. They have caught him, but I don't know about my wallet.
Well, the good thing is they got him.
You're such a you're on my high list.
All right. So what all was in the wallet? So you had 2 credit cards for sure.
Yes, 3.
3
I had
credit
my
cards.
daughters to pick up her prescriptions.
Okay.
And my husband's business visa and my visa.
Okay. And Craig.
Craig Thiebet. For
This
that.
spell Craig for me.
CRAIG.
That's such a hard word for me
And
to
it's
spell.
FIEVET.
F-I-E-V. So that right there.
Favette.
Favette. Okay.
And then Donna, his name is on Craig Favette is on one.
It's on one of the
Donna
cards.
Favette's
Okay.
on mine.
3 credit cards. You said $200 cash.
I had about $200 cash in there.
And it was a gold wallet, gold rectangle wallet.
Yeah, about this size.
Okay, full size
And
wallet.
it was Michael Kors.
Okay. How much was that wallet?
That wallet is about $128. It's a fancy one.
Okay.
I've had for
And
years.
then miscellaneous ID cards and medical cards.
Yes. All my cards.
All right.
And
What
there,
is
and there were 2 debit cards in there.
2 debit
also.
cards? Have those been canceled or used?
I have not canceled those yet.
Okay.
I'm going to have to go to the Bank of America and do that after I leave here.
And what you said, Laura's card was used, but not yours, not your credit card.
No, that's Laura's the one who alerted me while I was in the store.
Okay.
While I was finishing shopping, I was looking. I noticed my purse wasn't heavy, and so I started going around and I asked them. Then one of the grocery people was helping me look around and retrack my steps. I thought if it fell out on the floor, maybe I'd find it. In the meantime, my daughter calls me and says, "Mom, I just got a call from my charge card that I gave you to get the prescriptions that there's fraud on it. $500 they tried to charge at Walmart."
Yeah.
And so she's the one.
So
that
your
alerted
daughter's
me.
while you were still shopping, you didn't notice it. Okay.
So I noticed it.
What's Laura's phone number? All right, I'll give her a call after this too.
Yeah. When I just talked to her, I'll tell her to call me.
Have you checked your credit card accounts to see if they've used them yet or not?
Yes, my husband just called me. He has his receptionist. My husband's a dentist, so he's got the lady up front. She called, and they tried to make a purchase 5 times on on his business card, and 2 of them went through. And
About $2,500.
He didn't tell me, but the other 3 did not go through.
Okay, so on Craig's card, two went through.
Yes. But I don't know about mine.
3 didn't. Okay,
But
is there a
they
way you
tried to
can
make
check?
5, and I don't know.
Is there a way you can check yours?
Yes, I can call the lady up. You want me to do that?
Yes,
now?
please. Just to see if they use them is kind of helping it out. And can I get your first?
Let me dial that number. Go through. Can they use your debit card? I don't use
They can
my-
use it as credit cards.
They can. I better get
So
over
check
there.
that
Bank of
account too.
America.
Yeah. At least some places can. I know you can at gas stations because I've used it at gas stations before.
It's not going through.
What time? Can you look and see what time your daughter called you the first time
Yes.
while you were like in the store?
Recents.
So
Laura
this-
Acevedo.
you could do
No,
this right here.
I called her there trying to reach her.
Okay. Did you call anyone in between?
Yeah, wait, let me look. I'll tell you where it is. I know you got. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. This is a big thing, so we're trying to get it all organized and worked out.
She called me, I guess,
301,
301. Yes, that's it, 301.
and it's not this 253 because that's also around the same time, right?
It could be.
Did your husband call you to mention anything about? Was that what that's for?
No, he called us while we were eating at
So
Chick-fil-A.
Lauren, so she noticed basically.
I would say it was right
I'm trying to
there.
get time frame of when she noticed. Okay.
I'd say 2:52 because it was just a little before 3 and then I
Okay.
noticed. You know, at first was 2:53. I might have noticed it was gone before then.
Yeah.
A little before then, maybe at 2:45. Because I mean, it was just.
Your timing was about right. I just wanted to get kind of the exact.
Yeah.
All right, so daughter called you at 2:52 saying, "Hey, mom, my card got used for $500 at Walmart."
And she had just given
And
it
what's
to
up?
me an hour ago.
And she had given it to you before y'all left Chick-fil-A.
Yes, before we left Chick-fil-A.
And you knew you had it when you walked in here.
And I had it turned sideways because I was going to go to the pharmacy and get her medicine.
Yeah. So you had it turned sideways in your wallet, in your purse.
And then I was just about finished shopping, and I thought, where's my wallet? And then I went out to my car to see if I maybe had left it on the seat, which is not typical for me. And then I came back and I went to customer service and I got a grocery person to walk around the store with me. And then she called me and alerted me the fraud on her card at Walmart. And I said, I cannot believe they've moved this
And
quick.
okay. They quick. They do it.
They
They do it
were
quick and dump them. So once you noticed that, you called us. We had, thankfully had already been out there with these guys, so we weren't a step behind. We were kind of a little bit ahead. That's why
you were already getting them after they.
It was complete happen chance that our detective, or that one of Clarke County's detectives, was out there with them currently. Complete happenstance that's what happened. We have cases, Clarke County has cases, and they called us over the radio, our dispatch did, while we were out there saying, hey, we don't know if it's related, but someone said that their wallet got stolen from Kroger and got used at our Walmart.
I read all the time about the theft in Walmart, Target, probably grocery store.
Yeah, so it's very lucky that we were out there with them and could able to facilitate this whole kind of thing.
Thank you.
So check the whole store, check the star. Then you called us like, hey, this is what happened. Your husband has gotten 5 charges attempted. 2 of them went through, unknown amount.
There could be some on mine.
And there could be some on your debit cards and your credit cards. You're just unaware. Once you get all of those, cancel everything, and just get dollar amounts. Keep all the information you can. Like, hey, yeah, this isn't my charge. This is what happened. This is the time. This is the date. Get a hold of that. Compile all that, whatever you need to save it, and our investigators will get you a call and they'll be able to add all that stuff for you.
Okay.
So I'm doing the basic so we can kind of get the ball rolling, theft by taking for your wallet, and then everything else, financial card fraud and all that other stuff is going to be there for your cards and your husband's. What is your husband's birthday? And I'm going to call your daughter, probably call your husband as well, if he's not like doing a procedure or anything, because y'all are.
Can you call him around 4:30?
I'll talk to our investigators. He may call them because it's like you're kind of a victim. I mean, you are a victim, but he's also a victim because his card got used, and your daughter's a victim because her card got used. So I'm trying to get all those. So I'm going to call your daughter and get her side, since she is the one that noticed it and notified you.
Right. So what do I need to do at this point?
Just keep an eye on your accounts. I mean, I don't think you should do anything, but just if you notice anything, like write it down, screenshot it, whatever it may be.
If you were me, wouldn't you want all your cards? I mean, I've got so many cards.
No, I understand. I've had to replace my wallet a couple of times.
I've got my Kohl's card and my Belts card.
Yeah, I've had to replace my wallet a few times.
Oh gosh, this is the... Hello? Yes, I am in Kroger's right now, and someone stole my wallet, and they just looked at this big case, and I'm just about to finish with the policeman. Do you know about what time you'd be there? Okay, I should be there by 4:30. Would that be okay? I'll get there as soon as I can. What now? Oh, there is, and I will let them know. Okay, thank you so much. We have a broken doorknob in the house and can't get into our garage. Everything's happened today.
It's Monday. Here's your case number. All of my information, the email information, is all on the back side of that card.
Okay.
Just compile all that. I will give your information to our investigators. And if I have any questions or they have any questions throughout the next day or two, probably longer, if you see random phone numbers, it's probably one of us. Call it, okay? I'm sure I'm not done talking to you tonight. Just really, if I forgot anything, I'll talk to our investigator, and I'll probably give you a call asking for some more information till we get all this kind of ironed out. I'm going to call your daughter real quick, too.
And I should call and cancel my Kohl's,
everything.
I got to think of everything. But if they get my wallet, they'll return my information. And
eventually.
Medicare and all that would be okay, wouldn't it?
It should
driver's
be.
license.
Yeah, I would.
What is eventually? Because I can't drive without my license.
You can drive. Technically, it's against the law, but if you like, hey, my wallet got stolen. Here's my case number. I'm working on it.
How long are we talking about? I want my
that's an investigative thing. I'm not sure.
Because, what if I have a doctor's appointment? I don't have my...
I'm not sure.
My insurance.
I don't have an answer for you. That'll be something, a question for the questions for the investigator. I'm sure everything is non-pertinent. So like your medical card, your ID, all that kind of stuff,
Yeah.
should be returned to you. But like for your credit card, things like that, I don't see why they would keep them.
If I do, when I just have to drive to the Oconee.
They'll let you know. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm here for the initial kind of what's going on. This is not the last time.
Please let me know. If I
They'll let you know. Yeah, they'll let you know.
If I have to call the Social Security, all these places, it's going to be one hell of a mess.
No, I understand. Our investigator, let him know to call you as soon as he can. Whenever he gets he'll be able to answer some of the questions for you. And
Well,
like
I'm
I
so
said,
glad you called him.
yeah, I'm going to call your daughter, get her statement real quick, and then if I have any more questions or weird gaps from yours,
Yeah, just call me.
just call you, kind of where you're walking
I'll be
around the
home,
store.
so just give me a call.
Okay, all right, that works. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Really?
The guy in the red, his card didn't go through. The ones he used, but this guy's did. So.
In that picture, did he have a black mask?
Say what?
He had a black mask in that picture, didn't he?
And one of the ones that I did, yeah, they were different ones, but yeah.
We ran the name.
Lamont Green.
That sounds familiar.
We ran some
Lamont Green.
expiration
That's
date.
the passenger, right?
That was the guy in the red, not in the scrubs.
Yeah, so the other guy, the guy in the scrubs.
The other guy's like something Harris.
Franco, I thought you were pointing at a
That's
car.
that is off the name of. We ran the last four in the expiration date. So we ran the same car.
Hey, you're fine.
So what would they do? They just follow our money, right?
Yeah, they get it.
There was a black freaking Nissan with no tag right in front of us cars when I pulled out. I was like, oh shit, that must be it. And didn't even see the gray van until Franco was coming towards the daggone van.
Yeah. Oh wait, is it a fake card? Okay. Yeah, sticker on top. Okay, so the card is not good for. Yeah, man. Like I ain't never seen a card like that. Well, they're making it and they're like masking it or something like that.
Yeah, they're making them.
Using the numbers to put their name on it, or making it. Yeah.
Well, that would be like what we had the other day because they could take that number and the chip
Yeah.
and put it on the white card and go on.
Go run the van.
Switched up cars though, because they were driving that Ford Explorer. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm never working for Maddox again. We'll kick Maddox out.
With that weekend you were in South Georgia, car chase, DUIs, I was like, this
Where I'm at.
So you just repaying the favor.
Yeah, that's-
How's that going to work with you going to traffic?
you just don't worry about it.
Okay.
You can talk to him because he's going to need somebody to solve a day, so you might just work the day I work for you. Because now that, I'm going to be on traffic, I can take whatever day.
I was about to say, I can be there if you want me to. You're like, that car goes fast.
Talk to him. I might just give him the day because he's going on the same bachelor trip. He's in the wedding too.
South Carolina too.
Yeah, I didn't see that coming. So.
Yeah, well,
The last person I thought was ever going to leave was Josh Dudley.
that was a shock, wasn't it?
Yeah, I didn't. That was random. surprised they didn't run. They didn't have time.
Well, the one guy got out and he started walking that way, and I'm like, oh, here we go.
He'd have been the wrong one to run. I mean, he's the bigger one of the two.
That one's just.
Because I think they got in the car and left, and they just sat there, and I was like, I wonder if they seen Franco circling, and he left, and I seen whoever was it you that pulled up right here? He got in the car and started walking that way. I was like, yeah, he's trying to dip.
And I was sitting at the red light on Timothy. I was like holding the lights. I was like, don't do it. It's not like you're so sore. I was like, please no.
Like I said, I saw the black Nissan in front, and I thought that was the Nissan he was pointing. I was like, that's not gray.
When Richards is coming in, there's another Nissan Quest at the red light.
That's not my car.
Oh, it is. Richard. Hey, Richard.
I'd like to go for it.
What are the chances now?
That's what I was saying.
That's just leaving and coming out for it.
That's the only reason I didn't take the loop. If they're turning left, like I might be able to at least.
All of those are theirs.
Roger that.
None of these cards are the victims from over there.
Were they under the seat?
I'm just getting a.
But they're different names.
They're all like the same, like Superman. Like,
I wonder if they're listed in that notebook that Henderson pulled.
Well, that's who. All right. The card. Surrender.
The mail requested I get his keys. I retrieved his keys. Upon retrieving his keys, credit card was located in Plainview.
That's one of the cards that was sold down the curve. So we got charges.
I would say.
Definitely ARS.
Oh, no, that's PC.
Yeah,
you got
it.
it.
It's definitely ARS. You sounds like
So his affirmative movement next would allow us.
yeah.
When we approached him, he went,
Yeah, from one of the big ones.
Is Donna.
so.
Oh man, I'm just here.
But now that,
I was just here for the physical activity.
because CID's here, so it's their show.
100%.
That's like just now.
That is
But when they want something out of it, they ask us to get it.
Okay.
Her daughter's card, Laura Salcido, that was what spent $500 to buy a gift card.
That's the card that just bought
That's the card that got stolen from
Kroger.
Just now.
Oh, that's PC all day.
Yeah.
All right.
They went to.
Because one of them was trying to use a red card in there.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's a
This is
business card.
obtained plain view after his request to retrieve his own keys. We got enough now for 1095. Go ahead and take them.
All right.
Jail. We're going to tow this car back to the sheriff's office. Circuit narcotics.
What's the charge? FTC fraud?
It's going to be theft by taking.
Theft by taking?
Right now they stole the card. So right now, CID.
Yeah, right. Well, that way at least I can tell him.
We're dumb. We're patrol.
I am completely okay with that.
Theft by taking.
The first legal question is the lawfulness of the initial detention under the Supreme Court's 1968 decision in Terry v. Ohio. That decision permits a brief seizure on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity, not on a hunch and not on a generalized description. In 1985, the court extended this framework in United States v. Hensley to investigations of completed felonies, which directly governs this stop. The deputy here articulated specific facts on camera: matching clothing, matching modus operandi, and prior security camera footage from cases he personally worked. That articulation is what the reasonable suspicion standard requires. It is not a hunch. It is a record. The second legal question is whether handcuffs and a pat-down during the detention transformed this Terry stop into a de facto arrest. Federal courts apply a totality of the circumstances analysis, asking whether the restraint was reasonably necessary for officer safety or to prevent flight. Two suspects, an unsearched vehicle, and an organized fraud pattern provide ample justification for brief handcuffing without converting the encounter into an arrest. The third question is Miranda. No warnings were given during the roadside questioning, and none were legally required. The Supreme Court held in 1984, in Berkemer versus McCarty, that ordinary investigative detention questioning is not custodial interrogation. Warnings attach only when the subject is in custody and is being interrogated, neither of which applied here. The fourth and decisive question is the lawfulness of the officer's entry into the vehicle and the seizure of the credit card. The subject himself, from the back of the patrol car, asked the officer to retrieve his house keys from inside the van. That request constitutes consent for the limited purpose of retrieving the keys, well established as a recognized exception to the warrant requirement. During that lawful entry, the officer observed a credit card bearing the name of a victim who had just reported her wallet stolen. This is the plain view doctrine, articulated by the Supreme Court in 1990, in Horton versus California, applied with textbook precision. The doctrine requires lawful presence and immediately apparent incriminating character. Both elements were satisfied and contemporaneously narrated on camera. The fifth question is the choice between the automobile exception and a search warrant for the rest of the vehicle. Under the Supreme Court's 1991 decision in California versus Acevedo, probable cause alone permits a warrantless vehicle search. The supervisor chose to obtain a search warrant anyway, a conservative decision that almost completely insulates the evidence from later suppression. The probable cause arrest itself was authorized under Official Code of Georgia Annotated, Section 17-4-20. The charges, financial transaction card fraud and theft by taking, fall under Georgia Code Sections 16-9-31 and 16-8-2. On the grades, the primary officer earns a B+ for clear articulation, proper Terry language, and contemporaneous documentation. The detained driver earns a C- for verbal rights assertion, but consequential consent and contradictory statements that undermined his own position. The department earns an A- for multi-agency coordination and for choosing a warrant when the automobile exception was legally available. 3 lessons emerge from this footage. First, articulation is everything. An officer who narrates the legal basis on camera, in real time, builds a case that survives appellate review. Second, a subject's voluntary request that an officer enter a vehicle creates consent, and any plain view seizure that follows is lawful. Third, the right to remain silent applies whether or not Miranda warnings are required. Voluntary explanations did the legal damage here. Let us know in the comments below if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.